Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss one important problem of mathematics. Before starting the discussion, I want to tell you if you want more important questions of mathematics, you can visit our website which is education-adda.com. Link is also available in the description box of this video. So how you can visit? See, you have to visit education-adda.com. Then you have to go to menu option. From there you have to select academics adda, and in academics adda you have to select the option math important questions. So there you will get all these important questions, and also these important questions are available on our YouTube channel, and the playlist is titled as math important questions. Okay friends, so coming back to the question, what is given? See, Michael and Jacqueline, they work together at a computer store, and it is given that Michael sold five less than twice the number of computers that Jacqueline sold. Okay, and if J represents the number of computers that Jacqueline sold, we have to write an expression for the number of computers sold by Michael. Okay. So how we can write an expression? We have to write a linear expression. So what are the informations provided? See, it is given computer sold by Jacqueline is equal to J. Okay. And also it is given that Michael sold five less than twice the number of computers that Jacqueline sold. Five less than twice the number of computers that Jacqueline sold. Therefore, we can frame the linear expression based on this information, and the number of computers sold by Michael, it will be given by twice the number of computers sold by Jacqueline in minus 5, because Michael sold 5 less than twice the number of computers. So this is twice the number of computers sold by Jacqueline, and 5 less, so we have to deduct 5. So it will be 2 into j minus 5, that is 2j minus 5. So this will be our answer. Okay friends. So in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay. Thank you.